Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will share a very short tutorial with you. It is about how you can move a file or a folder in Windows 11 using your desktop. I will also demonstrate that this can be done for a single file or multiple file as well. Likewise, we can also do it for single folder or multiple folders as well. This is a very simple process, and for this, at first you have to locate the file or the folder. For this, we will go to the File Explorer. Now, you can easily find the File Explorer in the taskbar, but if you can't find the File Explorer, you can easily navigate to the search bar and then type File Explorer. Then you will easily find the File Explorer. So, let's say that we want to move this image from the download folder to our desktop. We can now just simply drag and drop it in the desktop. It's simple process. Now we can also do it for multiple files. We just need to hold the shift key and then select as many as file we want. Then just similarly drag it to the desktop. Now it might also happen that the folders might not be in a sequential order. So for that we can press Ctrl and then select the individual files that we want to move, and then likewise we will again just drag and drop it. Very easy process. We can also copy and cut the files and paste it in our destination folders as well. We can use Ctrl C or Ctrl V, or we can also use the icons that are available on the folders upper side. Now let's just say that we will move folders. So if I go to my PC and then we will want to move this test folder. Now just likewise, just drag and drop it in the desktop. It's easy and simple. Okay, for now I'm just going to delete it. And if I now let's say that want to move these images into this folder, I can just simply drag and drop it in this folder. Simple. So in this way, we can easily move one file or multiple files or folders by the process of drag and drop or copy or paste or cut very easily. So this was it from my side today. Thank you so much for watching, and hit the like button if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video.